The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Chlorophyll lands this fall with a perfect mix of retro runner heritage and modern street appeal. A smoke gray mesh upper keeps airflow high, while pale ivory suede overlays bring a refined, versatile look. The classic ribbed DPU cage and heel counter in deep gray preserve the shoe's layered identity and structural support. Bursts of chlorophyll green energize the laces, tongue tag, and inner lining, standing out against the muted base. Underfoot, Cushlon foam pairs with a Zoom Air unit for responsive comfort, while the black and beige rubber outsole ensures solid grip. The design's earthy-yet-vibrant palette makes it ideal for transitional weather, whether for casual wear or light activity. Texture play and tonal balance highlight its street-ready versatility. Expect the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Chlorophyll to release early fall via Nike.com and select retailers, ready to deliver comfort, style, and seasonal adaptability.